Well, I decided to come to town. This is Arc-en-Barrois, which is a slightly more graceful way to say it. And this seems like the little town square here. We have the pharmacie. This is the chateau, which is now actually like kind of like a hotel. 50 shared spots. The l'église, the church, and the bakery, and the Hotel de Ville, which I guess is City Hall. I'm kind of loving it. Just gonna walk you over to the church. These doors are wide open, but there's a little fence across. These are some old pews. Wow. Seems like they keep it pretty open air. It is vraiment vieux. Really old. Église is feminine. Vieille. Here's the stone floor. I am really loving this church. It looks as though this is more also a community center now. Oh, once again, it's l'église de Saint-Martin. Martin. Oh, even in English. Formerly located in the barnyard of the chateau, the church, mostly dating back to the 12th century, was separated from the borough by a wall and a moat. It was not until after the French Revolution that access to it was made straight from the square. Following the inversion of the church, positioning and the cutting through of a gate in the former church choir. Wow. I think I better go find the Office of Tourisme. And, okay, here's the side aisle. This is not a statue that we often see. I wish I knew who that was. A saint holding a baby. Look at the ceiling. It smells very musty in here and old. There's a little side door into a little, probably chapel. See, this church feels more like a place of worship for the farmers and the villagers and the residents of the castle. So it's a little more intriguing to me than the big ornate ones. This is right on the corner. So here's the corner of the church. There's a little 3-story building. I guess maybe most of these buildings were just outbuildings to the castle for the Revolution. And here's some grounds. And the bell tower. I think I'll stop it there. Thanks for tuning in. HSP Travel Vlog. Alane Freund, your hostess. Your host. I really want to be less gendered. I'm your host. Ciao for now.